Hello, welcome. My name's Stuart Lewis. I'm with Scientific, and today we're going to be looking at the calibration of a Vernier Go Direct pH probe. In order to calibrate this pH probe, we'll need a few things. One, we're going to need some buffer solutions. I do have three, a 4, a 7, and a 10. Today I'll be using the 4 and the 7. You need a Go Direct pH probe, and you also need the software Graphical Analysis, which is free from the Vernier website. Let's get started. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn on my pH probe. When I hit the power button on my Go Direct pH probe, the light will start flashing. Then, when I come over to my software, it'll show up in the list of detected devices. At this stage, I just need to hit connect, and then done. Now I can take my pH probe and take it out of the bottle. In order to do that, I need to unscrew the cap. This will release the gasket and allow me to very easily get the pH probe out. Now that I have it out of the bottle, I'm going to give it a rinse and a blot with some paper. Now we're ready to begin. So first things first, we need to enter calibration mode on the computer. In order to enter calibration mode, you just need to click on where it gives you the live reading, either up here or down here in the bottom right corner. In both cases, it'll bring up a context menu and you can hit calibrate. At this stage, I want to put in my first known value. In this case, it is going to be the buffer 4. So I take this probe and I put it in my number 4 buffer solution. Over here on the screen, you can see I have this relative stability reading. I want to wait until this number stops changing. This may take up to 30 seconds. Now the number is quite stable, I'm going to go up and I'm going to keep that. The next thing I do, again, I rinse and I blot. Now I'm going to place it into my number 7 buffer solution. Again, on the computer, I wait for the relative stability reading to stop moving. Now that it's stopped moving, I'm going to insert the second known value, which is 7, and select Keep. Now that I've done that, all I need to do is hit Apply. There you go. We have it calibrated. The calibration itself is stored inside of the transmitter module up here. Now my Vernier pH probe is ready to use. Thank you for listening. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact me on the following email address.